Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this XIAOMI device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, go into passwords and security, click on password over here and select one of the login methods by clicking on the chosen one, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, then wait 5 seconds and tap got it. Now I have to enter my pattern, repeat it and tap confirm over here. If you want to add your fingerprint, tap on add and follow the instructions, but I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, and now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!